Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will try to learn about DIV division command in Mitsubishi PLC. But before start this video, please like, share and subscribe this channel. This way you will be never miss my upcoming videos. So let's get started. I will open my GXWorks 2 software and here we will take this one X1 trigger bit and next we will take C10, for example counter, and value we will give k 1000 or 10,000, and after next you can take this C10 of the open contact and RST C10. This will be automatically reset for this after this value, and here we will choose this M100 for example, but this is we will take the close contact, and here we will choose the move command, move C10, move C10 in D10, and in next row we will take here one look like me, and here we will make the division command, for example DIV. When you write after you get the division command, next we will make D10 is our value coming look like this value we like to make it division, and this is this value we will keep in D10, and a D10 after we will like to make D15, and answer we will take D20, and this program we will compile and download to the PLC. Close this one, and now you can see this is not have any value at our counter. First we will go to the debug and modify the value, and x0 we will give some signal, and now increment as per you can see here is a D10 have coming value, but this our D15 don't have any value. If we like to be some division, we have to be put data, because of from outside not have any value coming, so we will manual put in the at the D15 value we will give. This is our D15. Here we will go and manually we can write D15 and afterward single, and here we will give the value, for example 2, and set made. After now you can see this 6 divide with 2 after answer will be 3, and as you go back after, and as you go back at the x0, when you gives the again value at C10, now you can increase your value 8 after answer is 4, and again I will give the value 9 is 10. You can see it's a make division divide with this 2 and gives the answer in D20. Again one we will give 11, but why this is not 11 show next value, because this is showing only this round figure, this just only a round figure showing, and if you like to be real value like to be show, see you have to be use the floating point value, and this is the next command I will show you in next program. For example, stop this one, and this is also we will stop the simulation, and here also I will can explain you how we can see the real value. This division command will be shows just only round figure, and if you like to see the value of go to the first we letter edit mode, and after we will choose it here one row more, and here we will choose the DEDIV. This is the command of floating point value. Also you can see in the explanation here description, you can see this is, for example, D20 is your D20 is your last value, or any you can data register. For example, this is separate program I will be make D from D30, and we will make it with D40, and answer we will take in D50. And what's the problem? DEDIV. Yeah, this is the mistake here. No need the space. If you give the space after, it will be not accept. And I will make it compile first, and after we will make the simulation on, and simply I will tell you how we can. Now you can see at the D30 not have value, and also D40 not have value. Because of this two data registers, we like to be make dividation, and after needs the answer in D50. So because of there is nothing any value coming from the field, if we use this D10, after this will be can be here when signal giving, after this will be can multiply, but manual we will give the value, no problem. After we will go to the debug mode and modify the value, and here we will this D30 we will choose D30. I will give the value, this is D30, this is the floating value. We will give, for example, 12.5 I will set in D30, and D40 we will give the value, this D40 I will give, for example, 2.5, and this also go to the floating and enter. After you can see the answer is in D50 5.00 you can see. And for example, this is I will make the 4.5 and make it set, and now you can see 2.778 is an answer. And now we will verify this value, it's giving correct value or not correct. We will go to our calculator. Also here we can verify, this is 12.5 divide 4.5, and answer you can see 2.778, and this is the real value. And if for example this you like to this 12.5, this D30, if you like to give the value, for example 30.5, and this 4.5 as after answer you can see 6.7877. Now again we will check with by the our calculator. You can see 30.5 divide by 4.5, and answer you can see 6.78778. This is the value. So this divide, if you need to see the real value, after you can use this DEDIV command, and otherwise if you like to see the round figure value, you can see only just here this values x1 when I give the signal, and D15 when you give the value x1 you can see, and D15 when we give the value, for example 3 value I will give at the D15. Now you can see the answer is continue, you can see in D20, and x1, again I gives the value. The scan time is little slow because of we are using this old version. This 12, now you can see this 14, this is the 15. You can see 15 divided by 3, answer is 5. So this way you can use the division command, or like to be in floating or in round figure if you like to see. And you can use in the program. After you can use this next data register in your program. And hope guys you will be understand about this division command. If not understand anything, you can send me the message in comment section. I will give you feedback as soon as possible. So thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.